In this tutorial, we are going to show how to add leading numbers to PDF bookmarks using Auto Bookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. Open the bookmark panel to the right of the screen to see the bookmarks in the currently open document. We want to add the leading numbers to the bookmarks to enhance the organization of our document. Click on the menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Select the Plugins menu. Next, select the Bookmarks menu. Next, select the Modify Bookmarks menu. Then select the Add Remove Leading Numbers menu. Click on the Remove Existing Leading Roman Numerals section and click on the Remove Existing Leading Numbering section. Select the bookmark levels that you want to add the leading numbers to. If you want to add numbers to all levels, just leave the default settings as they are. Click on the OK button for the leading numbers to process. The leading numbers have been added to the bookmark levels selected. To use a different numbering style that could fit better to your bookmark levels, go back to the menu icon located at the top left of the screen and repeat the previous steps again until you reach the Add Remove Leading Numbers tab. Select each individual bookmark level using the drop-down menu and set the desired numbering style. Only set the styles for the bookmark levels that you have in your document. Press the OK button to regenerate the leading numbers. The leading numbers have now been updated to your desired style. Don't forget to save the changes to your PDF document. Visit evermap.com for more PDF software solutions.